With the autumn approaching, Yunlin County welcoming a historic moment. The Double Tenth Fireworks Feast is coming soon, blooming at the Hui High-Speed Railway Zone. This is not just a visual feast, it's also a resident of Yunlin County, the warmest celebration. Imagine it. Under the silent night sky, 12,000 shot fireworks, shooting and leaping into the sky. They are as brilliant as stars. It's as dazzling as a dream. This fireworks show, integrating advanced drone technology, fireworks and light sculpture water dance, add more beauty to each other. The blooming of every beam of light. All for Yunlin County, expectations for a better future. And in the preparation for this feast, we are honored becoming a part of it. The Yunlin County government has specially selected our cake towel as one of the souvenirs of this event. This is not just an honor, it is also a recognition of our representativeness. In order to present this gift made more exquisite, we have in-depth research fireworks embroidery cases from the world. Strive between needle and needle, capture that fleeting beauty. Through countless make sample, we cleverly utilized various needlework techniques, such as flat needles and handmade needles. Make every firework can jump flexibly on fabrics. It seems to really bloom in the night sky. In terms of composition, we have integrated into the county emblem of Yunlin County, marketing main visual logo, and that carrying countless stories of century-old Shiluo Bridge. These elements are interwoven with each other. Not only did it showcase the profound cultural heritage of Yunlin County, it also represents our deep love and blessings of this land. In the end, these carry a pattern with beautiful symbolism, cleverly folded by hand into our patented cake towel. It's not just a souvenir, it's even more of a touchable warmth and memories. Let people enjoy the beautiful fireworks while you can also feel it, the enthusiasm and charm of Yunlin County. So, when the bell of Double Tenth Festival rings, when the dazzling fireworks illuminate the night sky of Yunlin, we sincerely invite you. Come together to this land full of hope. Witness this beauty and glory together. Also, don't forget, take this fireworks cake towel bring home. Make it become a part of your beautiful memories. Yunlin, we are waiting for you to join us in this pageant, a dual feast of vision and soul.